Welcome to the Excel tutorial series on the Radiowave Technology channel. Protecting your workbook with a password ensures your data stays secure. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to password protect an Excel workbook step by step. To encrypt your workbook with a password, start by opening an existing Excel workbook or creating a new one. Go to the File tab. Click Info on the left-hand menu. Click Protect Workbook, Encrypt with Password. Enter a strong password in the dialog box and click OK. Confirm the password by typing it again. Click Save or Ctrl+S to ensure your password is applied. Now when you open your Excel workbook, you'll be prompted to input the password we created earlier. The Excel workbook will not open until the correct password has been entered. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment.